In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall the Dashlane extension from your Chrome browser. Whether you're switching to a different password manager or simply tidying up your extensions, removing Dashlane is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few moments. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Chrome browser. Once Chrome is up and running, head over to the Chrome Web Store. If you're not sure how to find it, you can simply type Chrome Web Store into the search bar, and it should be the first result you see. This is the place where you can add or remove any extensions from your browser. Next, you'll need to look towards the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see a three-dot icon, which is the vertical ellipsis, just beneath the window close button. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu that gives you a host of options related to your Chrome settings. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click on Extensions. However, right before that, you might see an option that says My Extensions and Themes. Selecting this option will take you directly to a page showing all the extensions you currently have installed on Chrome. Here, you can manage each extension and also explore others that may be of interest. Once you're on the My Extensions and Themes page, it's just a matter of finding the Dashlane extension. You may have a number of extensions listed, so scroll through the list until you locate Dashlane. Sometimes they are listed in the order of installation time, while other times they might be in alphabetical order, depending on Chrome's current settings. So, be sure to take a careful look. After you have successfully spotted the Dashlane extension, look for a button that says Remove next to it. Clicking Remove will prompt Chrome to ask for confirmation to ensure that you really want to uninstall it. This is a necessary step to avoid accidental removal of important extensions. A pop-up will appear requesting confirmation to remove Dashlane. Make sure you want to proceed, because this action will remove the extension entirely from your Chrome browser. If you're sure, go ahead and click Remove again. This second click is crucial as it finalizes the uninstallation process, ensuring that Dashlane is fully removed from your system. And there you have it. Dashlane should now be uninstalled from your Chrome browser. This process is quick and easy, allowing you to regain control of your browser's extensions and maintain a streamlined browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials if you need more help managing your digital tools.